Morning, everyone. We are now checking out of our hotel in Vegas, and we're headed to Lake Tahoe. And let me show you some of the less glamorous side of traveling.
Oh, you mean me? This is all our food.
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't look as pretty as it does in the videos. Keep that in mind. Yeah, so we finally made it to Lake Tahoe. It was a little over a 7-hour drive, and the weather is amazing. We're about to check into our hotel. We'll give you a little tour as we usually do to see how it is. And what do you think, Andrea?
Long drive, I'm sure you're tired, so I'm ready to go out and walk and do stuff.
Yeah, we'll see. It's also very busy because it's 4th of July weekend. Hopefully the crowds will die down over the days because we're staying here 3 days. So hopefully there will be less people, but we'll see. Regardless though, it's a beautiful place and we're excited.
The TV is on already. Wait. This is our room.
You know, it's a roller coaster. And roller coasters are fun and
This is our room. We just got here. This is our restroom. Do you smell that? It smells like wood or something. Okay. Closet. We'll be here 3 nights, so and besides bed.
Okay, first impression of our room is it's pretty nice. It's well themed, as is the entire hotel, and it's good because they have their own spa. There's a casino, there's pools, and we have a private beach, which is meant for only the guests. So that should be pretty good, especially now that there's a lot of crowds.
I like it. I was looking for the fridge and I didn't see it, but then I kept hearing a little noise. It's down here. So we do have a fridge. This will be good because we're gonna be eating like picnic lunches and we need the fridge for that.
Yeah, so we just got here, so we haven't seen much, but we'll show you more of it. And we're staying here 3 days, so we'll have, I think, plenty of time to show you around. See you later. Okay, guys, now we're going to the private beach, which is part of the resort that we're staying at, which should be good because, as we mentioned earlier, all the beaches are pretty busy with it being the 4th of July weekend. So once we get there, we'll show you, see how many people are there, see what it's like. Of course, we have more days, so we'll try to go early during the day and see how it's just different throughout the days. As we were walking around, we stumbled upon this winter garden. No, we stumbled upon this water garden, which, if you see, is pretty great. It's a pretty relaxing spot. I know they have a dog park too, or dog-friendly park. So we'll go take a look in a bit. We stopped by the private beach, but we'll take a better look tomorrow because we weren't ready for going in the water or just being by the sand, so we'll take a better look tomorrow. What do you think of this place? It's very zen. You know, Andrea's not one for many words, so.
No, I'm fine with it. It's just that you're trying to scare me with bugs and stuff, so.
She saw something in the water, so she was scared.
No, I want to leave. She's trying to scare me.
So we drove up 431 Mount Rose Highway, come up this way. We started right about here. So this is the trailhead where we're going. So this is the loop that if you were to loop the whole thing, But this right here, we walked in Tamarack Lake, which we were actually looking at. We came all the way in and cruised right here. This is Galena Creek. This is the waterfall right over on that side, right down here.
How was the hike?
Oh, my feet feel so gross and disgusting. I want to shower. We did a hike. It was 5.25 miles, and we got to see a waterfall. So we'll show you some footage of that. The fresh granola from our hike. They said their pastry chef made this. I just want to open. I can't open it though. Okay, I opened it. I'm just going for the chocolate. Got pumpkin seeds, oats, cranberries. What are these? Dried fruit, I can't tell what it is. Cherries, maybe?
Just had the little snack, which was the granola that he gave us, which was good too. Now we're pretty hungry. We'll probably just eat some sandwiches or something, and then we'll prepare to have dinner at one of the places Kemp recommended. So we'll check it out, and then we'll show you some of that. Okay, so we are now fully rested after our hike, and we are gonna go drive around a bit and see if we can get an early dinner. Is this place that our guide recommended? It's called Zaz Lakefront. It's close by, maybe like a 30-minute drive.
Yeah, maybe get some pizza.
Yeah, we'll see how it is. We'll show you around once we're there. Hello. While we wait for a seat table, it's a 1-hour wait. We're here at the Lakeside Trail. Beautiful weather as it's been every day. It's so beautiful here. I'll show you around a bit. I'm gonna walk around, see what we can find. We're walking out on this pier and it's beautiful. The water is really clear. Our guide when we were hiking said that the visibility on the lake is at least 100 feet. So that's very clear water. Okay, now we're out here walking. So we can walk off some of the food. As you all saw, we ate a ton of pizza. It was really good. What did you think of the pizza?
The pizza was so good. It had, I want to say, fresh ingredients, and it was light enough that we ate the whole thing. Highly recommend. Really nice view by the water, and it was pretty busy. When we got there, we had to wait about 20 minutes to get our table. Yeah,
but it wasn't bad because we just walked around a bit. Then they texted Andrea that they had our table ready, and the prices were good too. It's not cheap, but it's not expensive. It's a good price, and it's a lot of food. You can definitely split that pizza between 3 or maybe even 4 people, but we just ate it all.
I want to go back to the hotel soon so we can do the s'mores by the fire pit, so we'll do that tonight.
So we decided to stop here by the water. We brought our blankets, and it's very peaceful. Yeah, we're just here relaxing. Probably be here a little bit. We didn't walk too much, but we're enjoying it now.
It's a nice area. There's a playground nearby for kids and restrooms, a trail for biking. Very outdoorsy type of place.
Yeah, we're gonna be here, and then when it gets darker, they have some fire pits where we're staying. They also included a welcome s'mores kit with our stay, so we'll be doing those. We'll show you later. But yeah, overall, just relaxing, enjoying the weather here, the scenery, and just having a good time.
Jump! Bird poop. Are you cleaning your hands?
Yeah, I decided to grab it a bit, but didn't realize what it was.
Gross. Ready for the s'mores? Hold on. Got our kit here with marshmallows. I think I'm just gonna do both of mine at the same time.
Why? It might get a little messier, no?
To eat them faster. Okay, do one at a time. Ready?
Let's see how it tastes.
I can hear the crunch from here.
Oh no.
Cookie down.
Yeah, cracker down. It was good. Maybe I could have melted the marshmallow a little more, but it's still fine.
Gooey mess.
How was it?
It tastes like char. It's good, but it was a little bit charred.
That was the part you did.
I mean, I tried. Also, my cookie broke when I was trying to open the packet. At least I got it one more try. We got 2 s'mores each. Like my setup. Got my blanket, and then we got our picnic blanket. Enjoying the stars. As soon as you turn off the light.
Okay, we just had our s'mores. We really enjoyed them. But it's already pretty late and we're gonna call it a night, so we'll see you tomorrow. Here we are at some of the less glamorous parts of travel. But we are gonna make it work because we got some food. We're out in this little picnic table while we wait under the shade. It's a pretty nice spot.
Got a chicken burrito. It's so juicy. It's a good choice.
Now we are out here going to some nice boulders that are sticking out of the water, so we're gonna see. And again, like we said earlier, the visibility is great, so we're gonna try to get you some footage. Fortunately, if we go in the water or anything like that, I won't be able to take the camera, but otherwise, see you there in a bit. Definitely, it's not a tough path, but you got to be careful when you're trying to hike down to this. We'll see once we get there. I'll put away the camera because of the water, of course. But here's a little peek.
We're here at Bonsai Rock. It's a 5-minute drive from our hotel, and the way we got here is just driving down south on the same route that we came in. And there's street parking available, so you just have to find a spot. It's free, and you have to just climb down the little ridge. And we're just gonna relax here. We found a spot under some shade, and we might go for a swim in a bit.
We stepped in the water to feel the temperature because they told us that it can get pretty cold. It's fresh, but it's not too cold because it's pretty sunny today. So I think we're gonna get to enjoy it a bit. We were at Bonsai Park We were at Bonsai Rock for about 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. It was good. The water was cool, but again, it was sunny, so it was good. And then after that, we just came back home, had dinner, and we went to the pool. So now we're just going to use $5 each and see what we can win. We normally don't gamble, but we're here and we're about to leave Nevada tomorrow, so we might as well use it now. What do you think? You ready to win some money?
I'm ready. I have my $5. I think this is the easiest machine. The rest look too complicated to me. And I feel a lot of the new ones don't have this aspect to it, so I want to use that.
We're so glad you stopped by. Let's have some fun.
Okay. So what do I have to do now? I don't know what's happening. I'll just keep using this thing. I'm really bad at video games, so this is like a video game for me. I said I want 150. But can I lose the 150 and not get anything?